and welcome to Lety Does Chainsaw in a Tree. So I'm here in my front yard and I'm going to cut that tree down because even though it's on our property, my neighbor keeps telling me to cut it down because the leaves get into their pool. So I have already cut down one of the other trees over there a while ago. But I cannot throw the wood away in the green waste, so I've been throwing it away in the trash. And I feel like I've gotten to a point where I can probably add more to my never-ending pile. So that is what I am going to do. I have my chainsaw over here, my pole saw. I'm going to be using that. I have my gloves. These are actually the gloves from my beekeeping set. But I've just been using them for a lot of random things, so that's what I'm going to use today. And I would have eye protection, but I ruined my last ones with the last thing I did, and I haven't gotten new ones because I'm supporting the strike to not buy anything for Palestine, so I haven't bought anything this week. Ideally, go ahead and wear eye protection if you do this at home. Do not do what I do. In most situations, don't do what I do. I don't really know what I'm doing. On that note, let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to put my extender because I want to get the branches very high up first. Wait. And the only thing, I really like this pole saw, except for the fact that it's a little flimsy. And it's gonna wobble, but it'll probably be fine. I just don't like how wobbly it is, but I don't have a solution for it. Okay, next, I'm gonna put some oil in it. Next, I'm gonna put my gloves on. Sorry, I'm looking around the floor because I'm making sure there's no more bugs. I don't want to accidentally crush anyone with the branches when they fall. Or with my boots, I guess. I don't want to step on anyone. Alright. There we are. And now, hopefully, with this newfound grip. Okay, just a moment. Give me a second. I can do it. Just hold on. I really stuck it on there the last time I used this, and I did not take it off. And actually, that was a big mistake because a bunch of oil leaked. Puta madre. Okay. I'm gonna go get pliers. I'll be right back. Alright. Every time. I got my barn chain oil here. Another thing, if you have this exact product or if you're thinking of getting it, it even when it's not accidentally spilling oil, it uses quite a lot of oil. It's very generous with its lubrication, so the oil like goes everywhere, and that's why I'm wearing my oil sweater. This is the outfit that I wear when I'm doing yard work and stuff. Because I don't really care if it gets like messed up anymore, because like here on my boobie you can see there is a stain, an oil stain. It's never gonna come out. I really liked this sweater too, but it's like completely covered in oil, so it's not covered in oil anymore because I washed it, but the stain is still there. Oh, okie dokie. I put that on. I got my battery. Alright. I'm gonna come over here, remove the sleeve, and I should be good to go. One thing real quick. I'm going to use this in a way most people do not use it, because I have weak little arms and it's very heavy for me. So any way I can support it is how I'm going to use it. But don't worry, I'll be fine. Probably. Oh, that's high. Okay. Start. Huzzah! You thought that was gonna hit me, didn't you? Ye of little faith! Damn, this is heavy. Ah! This is heavier than I remember. Wow, that's heavy. Okay. Fine. Now, if I cut that one, trajectory-wise, I think it would hit the camera. Well, better now than later in regards to fixing it, I guess. Maybe I can like cut tires so that doesn't happen. No. branches. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay, going over to the other side. Oh, not bad. Okay, hold on. That one went over the wall. Okay. I can get it. In fact, I need to move some of the branches I cut down. Oh, no! Oh. Off on my. Paul Bunyan over here. Did I get it? Dang it. Oh, it's really in that bush. I wonder how much my lipstick came off, but I can't check. Look, my bad. Oh! I'm sorry, I just stabbed my vagina with a twig. Alright, I'm gonna go take a break, get out there, do all this stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye.